Hey, Charlie Van Derven with Social Advisors. We specialize in helping financial advisors leverage LinkedIn Sales Navigator for two very specific functions. Number one, complement your current client communication. And number two, add to your prospecting pool on a very, very consistent basis. Sales Navigator is the single best sales tool I've used in 20 plus years of business development in this industry. Now, as a Merrill Lynch advisor, there's not a whole lot we can do for you, but what we can do is help educate you on how to best use this awesome platform. So if you've been included in the rollout of Sales Navigator for Merrill Lynch, we'd love to help you, right? So we've got a 3-month coaching engagement. Don't worry, we can move faster than that if you want to. And what we'll do is we walk through making sure first that your brand looks absolutely awesome on LinkedIn. Updating the essential elements of your profile to make sure that when you leverage Sales Navigator and drive a ton of people back to your profile to take a look at who you are, you're not killing opportunity. Your brand needs to be just right on your profile. After we get the brand set up, we dive into Sales Navigator, give you a good working understanding of how the platform functions, and then implement on 3 very specific routines that don't take a lot of time, but those routines will help you complement current communication with current clients. And with 10 minutes a day, a little bit of time invested weekly, and then a little bit of time invested monthly, you will be nurturing current prospects and adding to the top of your sales pipeline consistently. So we hope you'll join us for this coaching engagement. If you fill out the form below, you'll be in touch with a person named Lori Regg. Lori's awesome. She's going to tell you all about how the coaching works, and then we take it from there. So we'd love to work with you. Let me know if you need a better understanding of how LinkedIn Sales Navigator can help you grow your business.